How to see chats with someone who blocked you on a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see chats on a Snapchat with someone who blocked you. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Snapchat app. Log into your account. Select the Bitmoji icon at top left corner and head towards the settings or gear icon at top right corner. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and select My Data. Wait for a while until all the options get loaded here and then you need to make sure to check mark all the options. But currently and recently we are here to see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. So uncheck all the options and only select chat history. So once you do that, tap next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can easily choose the time range and now enter your email address and tap the submit button. After a while, Snapchat will reach you out through mail and from there you can easily see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.